I'm always so hungry after work, so I'm gonna cook up something real quick. While I'm cooking this, I'm also gonna start making my lunch for work tomorrow. It's just gonna be eggs, spinach, and some tomato. Also like adding bacon and cheese once the egg has cooled down, and then I just warm it all up together at work in the microwave. So I'm gonna eat my lunch. It looks so good. And it's about to be 3, so I'm gonna eat this real quick and then drink my pre-workout. It's 7 p.m. and I am making dinner for my husband. So I'm just making a quick dinner. I'm using the 1-minute rice. Actually, this is a 5-minute rice. And I just put it in the microwave. And he really likes it. And then I just have barbecue chicken already prepped. I'm just going to warm it up and that'll be it. This is his dinner already. I also cooked some bacon for my lunch for work that I did earlier. So I just like kind of cutting it up into pieces and putting it in here. I've also been using this cheese and I like putting half a slice in here. And then at work tomorrow, I just put it in the microwave and it tastes really good. You can put salsa in there or ketchup. Now it's 7:30. I'm gonna watch a little bit of Let's Do Makeup. It's 8:30 and I'm picking out my outfit for work. 8:35 now and I have to wake up at 4:30, so I'm going to bed now. Good night.